This is lesson 3.4, solving multi-step inequalities on page 189. Problem 5, inequalities with special solutions. What are the solutions of 10 minus 8a greater than or equal to 2 times 5 minus 4a? So again, the first step here is your distribution. 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 4a is 8a, and there was a subtraction in there. If you subtract, if you tried to pick the smaller one, they're actually exactly the same. So if you add 8a to both sides, you're going to get 10 is greater than or equal to 10 because the 8a's drop out on this side and on this side. Since this is a true statement, that means it doesn't matter what you put in for a, it's always going to be true. Okay? Because if you look at this, 10 minus 8a equal 10 minus 8a, that's always going to be true. So the solutions is going to be all real numbers because it doesn't matter what number you put in, it's going to be true. Okay? What are the solutions of 6m minus 5 greater than 7m plus 7 minus m? So 6m minus 5 greater than 7m plus 7 minus m. We're going to combine these two first, which gives us a 6m. So again, if we subtract 6m from both sides, 6m minus 6m goes away, that's a negative 5. 6m minus 6m goes away, so that's a plus 7. The problem is this is not a true statement. Negative 5 is not greater than 7. So since that's never going to be true, there is no solution. Okay? So you have two different things here. If your variables drop out, you have two choices. If it's a true statement, your answer is all real numbers. If it's a false statement, your answer is no solution. Okay? So for the got it, 9 plus 5n less than or equal to 5n minus 1. Pretty good hint, when they're the same variables, they're going to drop out. So if you subtract 5n from both sides, you end up with 9 less than or equal to negative 1. That is never going to be true, which means nothing you put in here would ever work, so there's no solution. 8 plus 6x greater than or equal to 7x plus 2 minus x. Again, we got to combine these first, which is a positive 6x. So we're going to subtract 6x from both sides. That leaves an 8 on this side and a 2 on this side. Now this is, again, no variables, but this is a true statement, which means it's always going to be true. So you can put any number in there and make it work. So it's all real numbers.